In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity spaces. We're going to go through the process step by step, ensuring you understand everything you need to get started. First, let's begin by heading over to Google. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the search engine's address if it's not your homepage. Once you're on Google, type the word Perplexity into the search bar. After you see the search results, look for the link that takes you directly to the Perplexity website. Clicking this link will take you to the main page of Perplexity. Now, once you're on the Perplexity website, you'll notice a tab or a section labeled Spaces. Go ahead and click on this to explore more about what Perplexity Spaces has to offer. Next, you'll see an option that says Create New Space. This is crucial because Spaces is about creating your workspace tailored to your specific needs. Clicking Create New Space starts your journey into customizing your Perplexity space. Here, you have the freedom to decide what your space will be about. Let's name this new space Shoe Tracker and Research Hub. This name suggests that the space will be dedicated to tracking shoe releases, prices, reviews, and perhaps even collections. A descriptive name helps you and others understand the purpose of the space at a glance. Now that you've named your space, it's time to add a detailed description. In the description box, you ought to explain that this space will be used to track shoe releases, monitor prices, gather reviews, and manage collections, all in one AI-powered workspace. This kind of clarity is useful for inviting collaboration or letting users know exactly what your space's focus is. After setting up the description, the next step is to click on Add Instructions. This feature allows you to provide guidance on how others can interact with your space. Instructions ensure that users have a consistent experience and understand how to utilize the features and resources you've set up. Be clear and concise with your instructions for the best user experience. Once everything looks good, click on Save to secure your settings and ensure that all your hard work is preserved. At this stage, your Perplexity space is ready, but let's test out its functionalities. We'll do this by generating a prompt. For example, type in, list the top 10 sneaker drops in November 2025. This kind of prompt takes advantage of the AI's capabilities to provide relevant and up-to-date information. Finally, after inputting your prompt, click on Submit. This action sends your query to the AI, which will process it and provide you with a list based on your request. Congratulations! You've successfully created and tested your Perplexity space. Now, you're ready to explore further and optimize your space for more detailed shoe research and tracking.